Have you ever been in the middle of an intense gaming session, only for your Nintendo Switch Pro controller to suddenly die? Or maybe you just want the most reliable, lag-free connection possible. Understanding the right cable can save your game and enhance your experience. For a wired connection with your Nintendo Switch Pro controller, you will need a USB-C to USB-A cable. This specific cable type allows you to connect your Pro controller directly to your Nintendo Switch dock or a compatible USB wall adapter, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay and reliable charging. The reason this particular cable is essential lies in its design and the evolution of USB standards. The Pro controller itself features a USB-C port, which is the newer, reversible connector type that has become a standard across many modern devices. It is known for its versatility, faster data transfer, and more robust power delivery capabilities. Your Nintendo Switch dock, however, typically uses USB-A ports, which are the older, rectangular connectors you are likely familiar with from many other electronics. So, the USB-C to USB-A cable acts as the perfect bridge between these two technologies. To use this cable, simply plug the USB-C end into the port at the top of your Pro controller. Then, take the USB-A end and insert it into one of the available USB ports on your Nintendo Switch dock. Ensure your Pro controller is set to wired communication in the Switch's system settings. This setting is usually found under Controllers and Sensors, then Pro controller wired communication. Once connected and enabled, your controller will immediately begin charging and function as a wired input device, giving you a stable and responsive gaming experience. It is worth noting that while USB-C to USB-C cables are becoming common, they are not directly compatible for a wired connection with the standard Switch dock. The USB-C to USB-A cable is the key. Also, remember that not all USB-C cables are created equal in terms of quality or power delivery. Choosing a reputable brand ensures both efficient charging and stable data transmission, which is crucial for competitive or long gaming sessions. A good quality cable will be more durable and less prone to connectivity issues, giving you peace of mind. By using the correct USB-C to USB-A cable, you gain the benefits of continuous power and a rock-solid, low-latency connection, ensuring your controller is always ready for action. This simple accessory choice can significantly improve your gaming sessions by eliminating battery worries and providing optimal responsiveness.